Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Audible on your Kindle. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite audiobooks directly from your e-reader, blending the best of both worlds. We'll cover everything you need to know, from checking your device's compatibility to downloading and listening to your first audiobook. Get ready to transform your reading experience and dive into a world of captivating stories, all from the convenience of your Kindle device. Let's get started. First, let's ensure your Kindle is ready for Audible. Not all Kindle models support audiobooks, so it's important to check if yours does. Devices like the Kindle Oasis, Kindle Paperwhite, and the basic Kindle often have this capability. You'll also want to make sure your device's software is up to date, as this ensures you have access to all the latest features and the best possible listening experience. A quick check in your settings can confirm this. Once your Kindle is compatible, downloading and playing Audible books is straightforward. Simply connect to Wi-Fi, then navigate to the Audible section or store on your device. You can browse and purchase new audiobooks or download ones you already own from your library. After downloading, just tap on the audiobook to begin listening. You can control playback, adjust volume, and even change the narration speed, all from your Kindle screen. To make the most of your Audible experience on Kindle, consider a few tips. Using Bluetooth headphones or speakers will provide the best audio quality and privacy. Remember that streaming or downloading audiobooks can consume more battery than reading, so keep an eye on your charge. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your device often resolves minor glitches. Enjoy immersing yourself in countless stories wherever your Kindle takes you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.